Welcome to another Adventures of Mac and Cheese. I'm here, and here is cheese. So today we are making 3 fun activities. We are building bird feeders. So we had this milk carton here, and then we made it so it will be like a bird feeder. This one is a nesting bag. The birds take the pieces out of it to build their nest and stuff. And this one is a pine cone bird feeder. And it is a pine cone, and we used expired peanut butter and some bird seed. And so we're gonna do this one last because it's the most funnest. That I think it's the most funnest. Do you think it's the most funnest? Okay. Okay, Cheese. Can you hold this for me? Okay. So first, we're going to draw a line from here, and we're gonna build like a dome. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, so while we're waiting for Cheese, I'm gonna go on and show you. So now we're gonna poke a hole right here. First, you need to find your stick. It doesn't have to be that thick or that thin. And now first, we are going to poke a hole. We're gonna poke a hole right here by the cell or seal. By it. Now we are going to put our string. Okay, so now we're just gonna loop it through, and now we are going to tie a square knot. Right over left, left over right. And now we are going to cut these pieces right here so the birds don't try to eat it.
That's fine.
Chicks eat stuff, a lot of stuff. Okay, so now, because I'm done with this, I'm going to put my bird seed on. In. You want it just right, so it's not that high, so if the birds peck at it, then it will like hit it and okay, so we're gonna need these. They are from like oranges and meat that for our Thanksgiving. And this one was from a ham thing because it's a lot stronger. I went orange.
And that one is an orange thing because it's orange. And yeah. Okay, so, and we also have some sticks and some weeds that we cut up. And then we also got string. Okay, so we're going to go like this. Cheese, I'm gonna do that one because it's gonna be easier.
I want this
for me. Okay, so now we're just gonna get like a handful or something and just put it in there.
First, I'm gonna take these. So, wait, where did it open? It's so confusing. Ah.
I'm gonna get
There
a
we
team
go.
to put
Oh, yeah. Hey, it's so confusing. It's so confusing.
It's so tickly.
It's so confusing.
You stay here.
Okay, so it's so confusing right now. So I can't find any of it. It's so confusing. Ah.
So then how do the birds get it?
They peck. So if you are wondering how did the birds peck it out, they pull it out like this with their beaks, like this, and yeah. So I'm just going to layer this.
Some are kind of out.
So now I'm going to go like this, and this, some of this. Now because I have
That's perfect.
this, I'm going to tie it up with this.
So much like that because there's kind of like a little spill.
Okay, so now we have a thing where we can hang it, and I'm gonna hang it somewhere after we're done.
I just started a seed collection. One pine cone too. Here's my pine cones.
Okay, so now on our next project, we are building one of these. So we got expired peanut butter that my mom found in our cupboard that we saw it and it didn't smell so good. Okay, Cheese, can you put this on there? Not too thick.
Monson, try to get it down in the petals. Softly.
Ooh, that actually sounds like bird seeds. That's a
Make it
stickiness.
rain, make it rain.
It's fine, just... It's okay. Roll it in. Keep going. More.
Some
Roll and push, roll and push. Good job, you guys. Do you think the birds are going to love this?
Yes. And the peanut butter. Yes, a lot.
Okay. Got to finish it up, Mac. You can wash
Yeah.
your hands in a second.
Roll.
So what are you going to do there, Mac, to make it...
Okay, I'm going to do a slip knot. So you're gonna just go like
No, your
this.
slip knot is this, honey.
Yeah, you can do a different one. It's easier to do this one.
Okay.
And then you go like this, and then this, and then this, and then you go like this, and then you can go like this.
And then if you're a little scouter, you can
There we go.
easily know how to do one.
So now,
Do you want to do...
Cheese.
Cheese, do you want Mac to do yours too?
okay, my fingers are
Or do you want to tie your knot? Cheese?
I want Max to do it. Mac.
How about I do the knot and you put it on? Okay, so
I kind of don't know how to use it. I'm gonna have this my hand.
In a second.
What are they?
okay, so now we're done. Thanks for watching the Adventures of Mac and Cheese.
Bye.
Bye.
Do you guys understand?